right, so we are here in Outer Banks, North Carolina. It's a overcast day, not too bad out. Nice temperature for a ride down from the Hampton Roads area where I live. About 2 hours.
So at this point of the trip, for some reason, I lost my audio. The DJI wireless mic system wasn't connecting to the camera for whatever reason. But on this ride alongside the beach, the road just over from the beach, it was a beautiful views and a lot of places to eat and a lot of places to just hang out at. But I was able to find some public parking, and that's where I pulled over to do my next set of drone shots. Check it out.
All right, so I found some free public parking. Place to launch a drone from that I feel comfortable with. Gonna go ahead and get the drone up in the air and get some footage.
So after I finished flying the drone, I packed up all my stuff, put on my patented neon pullover, and decided to head to Outer Banks Harley-Davidson, just north on 158. The sights were beautiful, and the travel was great. The weather was great, and it was good to get out and get a good ride in and head towards the beach and relax for a little bit. In this shot, I'm traveling across the Wright Memorial Bridge, which is considered by many vacationers as the welcome area to the Outer Banks. Originally opened in the 1930s to accommodate a handful of adventurous vacationers, today the Wright Memorial Bridge carries millions of travelers every year across the Albemarle Sound and serves as the first glimpse of the Outer Banks saltwater to visitors who are eager to begin their beach vacation. In 1966, an upgraded Wright Memorial Bridge was opened. It became a two-lane structure built out of concrete with concrete barriers and could withstand speeds of 55 miles per hour, making it safer and easier to travel gateway to the Outer Banks. So just parked from getting pictures of the bike for my thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. Like I said, I'm here at Outer Banks Harley-Davidson. I always like to visit dealerships when I can. I'm no different probably than many other Harley riders. But go ahead and get some footage at least on the bikes on the outside and see where we go from there. If I'm being fully honest, I'm still learning my bikes. But got a Heritage right here. Nicely decked out, got the soft leather bags on the side. Good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Welcome to my toy box.
All right, it's a nice toy box too.
Yeah, come on inside and play.
Yeah, man, for sure, yeah. Yeah, I was just taking a look at all the bikes out here. All right, got this yellow and black Road Glide. That looks gorgeous. Got the short bags on it. You can tell work's been done to it. Short exhaust. That's pretty good looking. Couple 2023s. Beautiful. Great dealership. It's really cool. Good selection. Come to Outer Banks Harley-Davidson, see Tank. Tank hooked me up, man. Treat me like family right off the jump. Yeah, beautiful dealership. Good selection of bikes. Nice and big dealership. Trike. If you're in this area, give Outer Banks Harley-Davidson a shot. Yeah, this is a gorgeous bike. I gotta look at that again. It's beautiful. Come check them out.